My name is Jesse Forrest and I'm a web copywriter. I help business owners come up with the right words so they can turn more of their website visitors into leads, sales, and clients. For the last 14 years, I've worked with hundreds of businesses, both big and small. I've written about every topic imaginable, from financial planning firms to dating workshops and even Japanese toothbrushes. I've already shared my copywriting tips at conferences around the world and for companies like Chanel, Disney, and Sony. And now I'm excited to be teaching my first ever Skillshare class, Copywriting Tips for Beginners, how to write web copy that sells without being cheesy. This class is for beginners and anyone who wants to learn the fundamentals of writing for the web. You know, if you've ever struggled to come up with the right words to describe your business in an engaging and exciting way, or if you've ever stared at the blank screen with no clue what to write next, then this class is for you. So in this class, I'm going to be teaching you the key differences between writing content and also writing copy. You're going to learn how to write headlines that stand out and command attention. I'm going to be showing you how to use your words to stand out from the competition online, and also how to turn boring features into irresistible benefits. Fill in the blank templates to help you write headlines, subheadlines, call to action buttons, and so much more. So if you're ready to learn how to write web copy that's going to effectively sell your products and services, then I hope you take the time to enroll in this class, and I look forward to seeing you in the course dashboard.